So hey guys, welcome back to Standard Time. Today's video is about the Ullchro watch strap. Essentially, it's part of the Amazon Find series. I bought this strap and it's arrived about a day ago. I've had some time with it and here are my first impressions. I've actually done an unboxing, but I guess you'll get to see that right now. Looking inside the packet, we have the watch strap itself. Along with some nice additions, they have provided a spring bar tool along with two spare spring bars. Looking at them, they seem to be the same easy removal spring bars like the ones within the strap itself. Now the spring bar tool itself is fairly average. Most watch strap companies provide something really similar with your strap purchases. It's low quality and can scratch the watch if you're not careful because it's quite sharp. Now the strap itself seems to be really nice. There we have the easy removable spring bars. It's a Deployant clasp, and let me just get it open. I guess we have to unpeel the sticker. The strap itself seems to be constructed fairly well. The Deployant clasp is up to standard. Well, for what it's better than what you'd expect for the price. So let's begin with the watch. Not the watch, the strap. It's a silicone strap with a Deployant clasp, and that's pretty much the only reason I purchased it, because I wanted a silicone strap with a Deployant clasp. Quite concise. I have a Seiko Monster here, and I had it on a NATO strap. I'll probably do a review of that strap, as I bought that on Amazon too. It's an olive green NATO strap. I had my Monster on that for about 2 years. Now I decided it's time to try something new. So I went onto Amazon and I looked for silicone straps. But I particularly like a Deployant clasp or something interesting to it, not the regular buckle and loop clasp, because those tend to come off quite easily and then just not that nice. So I found this one. The link will be in the video description. It's like I said, it's an Ullchro, I guess. I don't know the pronunciation or if there is one. It's a really nice silicone strap. It doesn't have that vanilla smell that a lot of people seek when they're buying silicone straps. For example, when I bought my Vostok Amphibia, it came on a black silicone strap and it had a really nice vanilla scent, and I really love that strap. It's one of my favorite straps, but it doesn't have a Deployant buckle. That one is really supple, just like this one. So the strap itself is really nice on the wrist, and I picked the orange color just to match the dial of the Monster. I hope I'm in focus for this. But anyhow, so the orange of the Seiko Monster dial it's a bit darker and deeper than the strap is. See, the thing is, on Amazon the display picture for the strap showed a very similar color to the Monster dial, but I guess even on camera it seems more of a darker orange than it is, but it's actually quite a fluorescent orange. I do like it. I think it's great. I was just a bit disappointed that it didn't quite match my dial, but I guess after a lot of use it's gonna become darker and closer to the dial itself. Now, one thing I need to critique about the strap is the Deployant clasp. So it's razor sharp. The edges are not smoothed out, and it seems like, I mean, it's entirely brushed and it looks great, and it does feel to be decent quality, but it's razor sharp, like I said. So the corners can pretty much cut through anything, including skin, and your clothes. So do not wear this on any sort of underneath any sort of sweater or jacket, because that would be shredded. Now, apart from the razor sharp knife-like qualities, it's a fairly decent strap. Let me just unbuckle it. So it's sort of a butterfly deployant clasp, and I actually prefer that to the, I don't know what it's called, like the stamped one where you have to undo a sort of buckle and then you can release it, press release it. So this one just snaps on. Microphone's over there. So overall I think the quality of it is really nice. It's undoubtedly extremely sharp and it's quite good looking, but the brush surface does pick up fingerprints and scratches very easily, but I guess that's with anything really. So first impressions are good. One of the cool features I did mention, well, while purchasing it in the previous video, was it has a sort of easy release to detach the spring bar from the watch. So essentially you could just do it with your nail. I think I have some B-roll you'd be looking at right now. And that's pretty much it. This one, I think I lost my train of thought earlier, but it doesn't have that vanilla scent. I don't know if I mentioned that, perhaps I did. But it smells more chemical, but it's not really strong. I mean, just when I opened it about a day ago it was, but it's sort of worn off now, so it doesn't really have any smell. Maybe a bit like a car tire or something. But yeah, those are my first impressions, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out our Instagram and our website. But they should be here. standardtimeinsta.com. Stay tuned for the full review, perhaps in the next few weeks. And thanks for watching. Are we in focus? Was that in focus? I think that's in focus.